For everyone who drives, this can easily happen to you. So, if someone pulled a gun on you, what would you do? Leave your thoughts in the comments.
Only on 6. Take a look at this video, a road rage incident caught on camera. This evening, NBC6 got newly released video showing the moment a driver pulled a gun, right, you see it right there, on people in another car and tried to shoot at them. Good evening, and thank you so much for joining us tonight. I'm Lorena Inclang. The incident happened in northeast Miami-Dade in July. The suspect was arrested a month later. Kim Nguyen is live in northeast Miami-Dade with that exclusive video and more on this story. Kim.
Lorena, that's right. We just got this video this afternoon showing what happened. In the video, you can see the suspect pointing a gun at the victims, then pulling the trigger several times, but the gun never goes off. Newly released video shows the moment police say a driver pulled a gun on the people inside of this Tesla. Police say it happened on July 23rd. Cameras on the car captured the confrontation. You can see a silver gun pointed outside of the suspect's car towards the victims. Police say that suspect is 47-year-old Brian Hefron, who was arrested about 3 weeks later in August.
It's a road rage incident.
He appeared in bond court the day after his arrest.
He says he brandished a firearm trying to shoot the victims.
According to the police report, Hefron allegedly pulled the trigger at least 3 times, but the gun never went off. In bond court, he told the judge the gun wasn't loaded.
The firearm did not discharge.
Firearm was empty.
Police say the incident happened near Northeast 26th Avenue and Ives Dairy Road. Investigators say the alleged victims were able to identify Hefron in a photo lineup. Hefron's lawyer sent this statement to NBC6, which reads in part, "This was a completely isolated event, an outlier in Brian's life that has otherwise been devoted to his family, his career, and the community. I might add that just prior to the incident, Brian was cut off and almost got into a serious accident himself. Brian is extremely remorseful for the events of that day and hopes to move forward with a life that has otherwise been devoid of any problems with the law." And Hefron has been charged with aggravated assault. For now, we're reporting live from northeast Miami-Dade County. Kim Nguyen, NBC6 News.
Following his arrest on August 15, 2024, Brian Scott Hefron was granted bond. Initially charged with attempted second-degree murder, he was held at the Turner Guilford Knight Correctional Center on a $5,000 bond. In bond court, Hefron informed the judge that the gun involved wasn't loaded. Subsequently, the attempted murder charge was dropped, and he now faces a charge of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon.